you ever skipped a stone across the water? Have you ever hitched a free ride on a train? Have you ever climbed up on a water tower to write a name? The truth is every man dies, not every man lives. Have you ever loved someone that you would die for? Have you ever walked too far out on a limb? Have you ever chased a dream too high to reach for and pulled it in? The truth is every man dies, and not every man lives. I wanna paint outside the lines, run the red lights in my mind, take everything one lifetime has to give. I wanna stand inside the fire, walk blindfolded on the wire. Every man dies, but not every man lives. Have you ever thought about how fast time passes? Ever thought about what you would leave behind? Ever stood up for something you believed in and drawn a line? The truth is every man dies, but not every man lives. I wanna paint outside the lines, run the red lights in my mind, take everything one lifetime has to give. I wanna stand inside a fire, walk blindfolded on the wire. Every man dies, but not every man lives. I wanna stand inside a fire, walk blindfolded on the wire. Every man dies, but not every man lives. Have you ever skipped a stone across the water? Have you ever hitched a free ride on a train?